Hello everyone, today I will make a robot. First, put the head here. Second, put the legs,
feet
here and put it in the body. Like this. Not fall down.
You will put
Then
tape.
put the hand here.
Hands
Here. And then finally we need to put that.
Okay, so this is your robot.
Yes,
This will gonna be your project in MAPE. Okay.
I'm so excited because I like this robot. Oh, I'm so happy to be a scientist. Also,
Okay, so
we need ice.
Ice? Okay, yes, also the ice. You also need to put ice.
And also put a mouth. And finally, we need this one.
Where's the mouth? This?
No, that is not a mouth.
Where's the mouth? You will just draw?
Yes, I will just draw. This is the things I need.
So are you excited now?
Yes, this is box figure sculptures.
Oh, this is called box figure sculpture.
Wait, I don't know which one I will go here. Maybe it needs to be like this.
So
Yes.
how you will paste it?
Okay, I am a great scientist. But mommy, why you not put?
There is here. Put the box first upside down. There is something there in the box.
Oh yes.
So this is your lesson for today, okay?
So how to put this ice here?
We will use scotch tape. Where's your scotch tape? Okay, where's your scissors?
Here.
Okay. Oh, teacher will discuss first. You have to listen first to her, okay?
Okay.
Put this first in the side.
Okay.
Box figures sculptures.
This what teacher post this in the.
That we're going to make is a robot.
This is what we will study today.
A robot using the box? Yeah, okay. So like for me, I have now my small boxes. Okay.
Wow, she already made it.
It's colorful, huh?
Yeah.
I painted the one part because I showed it in the other class. So you can also design your work with the robot, with the boxes. Okay? So now, are these boxes useful? Are your boxes useful? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Where do we use the boxes that we have? Where do we use the boxes?
For the body, the
Give me
head.
an example. Where do you use your boxes? Yes, Fatima. Sarah and Nada, where's your camera?
Okay, now I will start now. First, I will put the feet.
Why? You didn't do your boxes?
And
Yes.
the other feet.
Okay.
Maybe it will fall down.
It's okay. Yala. Yala. Make it stand. Yes.
Yay, it's standing. I love my robot.
Yala, this one.
After that,
Put the hand.
hand.
This one.
Oh.
I put it using the scotch tape to stick it in. Do not make a holes anymore.
Where's the other hand?
Here.
Here.
Because if you make a hole, you will get more time. It's difficult to
Yes,
make a hole.
nice. Then we will put a head.
Remove the tape. Put it on the other side.
Remove the tape.
Okay, so I'm gonna record our work today so I can see, I can watch it again. Who are doing their work during the
Tape?
class?
Where is the
Thank you,
tape?
Camera, Sarah Alamani.
There's no any tape.
There's no tape. Let me see.
Always turning off
Oh, okay. We have to put the tape. Yala, put the eyes first.
Put the eyes. Oh, okay.
Wait.
Can I put with scotch tape? I will put it with scotch tape.
If you have a lot of bottle caps, you can still put it there. What about you, Aisha? I think you're not
How about
moving
what
anything.
you are drawing now?
Aisha,
The
where's your
mouth?
princess?
Yes.
Huh? You're just sitting down.
What a happy mouth!
Oh, so your robot is a happy.
You are
Yes,
seated with
happy
the
now.
Please do.
Okay, so your robot is very happy.
Very cute, right?
Yes.
I need to
in the glass.
Now you are doing what?
doing this.
You're putting a putting what?
An eyes.
Okay, yalla put eyes.
Shh, stop disturbing me. Like this.
Yay!
Okay. Mm.
Yalla put it there now. Bismillah. Say Bismillah.
Okay, you can now cover it with
Kalas,
colored
it's
paper
okay
so
now.
you
It's
can
okay.
now
No need
use
to
your
put.
paints.
Nice, but I want to put here something. The
Yalla.
puppy.
Yalla put.
Or I will put the something that is very like Bimo.
Okay. Or you write Fatima.
Yes.
Or write Team.
Mm,
Or whatever. Whatever design you want.
I cannot see you in
Yalla
the
make design.
Maryam, where's your camera?
okay, I will
What
put
about
here
you, Yara? What are
circle,
you doing?
a big circle, another small circle, triangle,
You're waiting
a
for something.
square, and also this one, and this, and also the very big, like, and finally this one.
Teacher, can you see me? Yes.
So what are you doing now?
On your camera.
You're designing.
I think your face is
I want to see your robot. Okay, yalla. Call teacher and then turn it around.
Okay, I will write here Tim.
yeah.
Team. Oh, you are writing team.
Nice.
Nice now?
Yes, but I need to put this one
What's that?
in the head.
Where will get that? Later, just show it first to teacher.
Okay. You see, you can make a better
Wow! This is your robot!
Teacher, look at my robot.
Yeah, I like the robot. It's a silver robot. Oh, I like it. Fatima, it's so pretty.
Thank you, Lee. Everyone likes it.
Yeah, so this is your robot. Team robot.
Now, let's do it.
Okay, present your robot. This is
This is my robot.
the robot I made.
The robot I made. I will name him Robot Tom. So I need to write here T and O and M. Like Bimo, right?
Okay, yellow show to me. Wow!
Oh, his name is Tom.
Oh, so your robot now is
Hi, my name is Tom. You're taking a picture or a video?
a video.
Oh, wow.
So are you happy with your
You can also
box
play games.
sculpture?
Yes. You can also play games with me.
Oh, really?
Yes. Okay, time to sleep. Now I will gonna see here. That tickles me. Nice robot! Oh, you're a very cute robot. We will also send this to teacher. Who's your teacher? Teacher Roby, she's already here. Huh? Oh, yes. How did you know your teacher? I not go to school before. You cannot go to school because you're a robot. Because all of the children are only
In home. Only stay in home.
stay in home. You will be in KG0 first.
Okay.
If you are done with your
That okay, guys. Thank you for watching the amazing world of Fatima and Maryam. Oh wow, bye bye. And also don't forget to click subscribe, like, share, and click the bell. Yes, you need to put this also. Bye bye. Bye bye.